Okay, hi everyone. I'm going live even though I hate going live because I have something to say. And so I'm going to wait a second and see if anyone joins me. And if you are watching this on replay, type in replay in the comments. If you're watching it live, type, hey Renee, thanks for watching. Type live, and I appreciate you joining. So anyways, so again, I hate going live. I don't know, I still get so nervous. I've done this so many times, but I still get nervous. And actually, I'm going to fix the screen. Hey, Lindsay, thanks for joining. Lindsay's a pro at going live, so if you have an opportunity, watch her lives. They're awesome. Mine, not so much. But anyways, so I have something to say. I just have had people ask me how I am so successful. How I have been so successful in 10 short months in my business. And like I just enrolled, I think I had my third person maybe enroll with me. Hey Chris, thanks for watching this month. And I don't know, I'm not keeping track. But anyways, the point is that people ask me how I'm so successful in this business in such a short time. And the answer is, number one, the only answer is I am unapologetically me. So that's what I always say to people. I'm like, just do you. Stop trying to use somebody else's voice. I mean, I remember when I went into yoga teacher training, and I'm totally digressing from my notes here. When I went to yoga teacher training, and we had to teach a class, like, you know, to the fellow students, and we had a script and the whole thing. And I was so nervous, and I messed up, and I got my rights and lefts mixed up. And I was like, oh, forget it. I know this. I just have to find my own voice. And once I find my own voice, or once I found my own voice, then I became a good teacher. And that's how I believe it is in business. So I'm, number one, like I said, or the only thing, unapologetically me. I am a yoga teacher, but I am not vegan, and I don't meditate every day. I'm a wellness coach, but have I been known to have a cocktail or two a night? Yes, it's called balance. Your vibe attracts your tribe. So, you know, some people are gonna like me, some people are not gonna like me. I don't watch the news. I refuse to talk about politics with anyone except my immediate family or my husband and my kids. And again, that's the secret to success, is just being, and I have to follow my notes because I get so nervous here, your vibe attracts your tribe. It's a big Facebook world, and there is room for everyone in this business. And I, as my mentor, John Melton, if he's watching here, what my mentor says is, don't have commission breath. And that is so, so true. I mean, please, hashtag commission breath in the comments if you have all these people spamming you. And if I have spammed any of you when I first started this business, I sincerely apologize, because I had no idea what I was doing. A year ago, I didn't even know what network marketing was. I had to Google the word upline, and now I think it's the greatest thing in the invention of anything. You know, it gives everyone an opportunity to build a business without, well, some companies, I guess you have to have inventory. We don't have to have inventory. But I've met so many great people through this business, and you know, why not buy? I mean, I 100% believe in our products. Why not buy from a friend, rather than buying from a big box store? And yes, I shop at Target, of course, but I like to buy from as many of my friends as I possibly can. So I guess that's it. That's all I have to say, really, about being successful in business. You have to believe in your products. And I try to live clean as much as I can. I think my most recent post about Monday through Friday is pretty accurate. Try to live clean most of the week. And then on weekends I let it go a little bit, but I try to buy products from friends who are in network marketing. And I am just honest with people. I will say if I like a product, if I don't like a product. I am not in there telling you that you're gonna make $1 bazillion and, you know, live in a mansion. I'm here to tell you that it's working for me. The products are working for me. The system is working for me. The products are working for my company or for my clients, and the system is working for my team. So that's all I have to say on this Friday. I hope everyone has a great weekend. My son is graduating tomorrow. I'm very excited and very proud, and my daughter's here, and it's all good. So anyways, thank you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you soon.